Scarecrow on a wooden cross, blackbird in the barn. 400 empty acres that used to be my farm. I grew up like my daddy did. My grandpa cleared this land. When I was 5, I'd walk the fence while grandpa held my hand. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. This land fed this nation, this land made me proud. And son, I'm so sorry there's no legacy for you now. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. The crops we grew last summer weren't enough to pay the loans. Couldn't buy the seeds to plant this spring, and the farmer's bank foreclosed. I called my old friend Shepherd up, auctioned off the land. He said, John, it's just my job, I hope you understand. You call it you old boss, it sure don't make it right. But if you want me, I'll say a prayer, pray a prayer of your soul tonight. Grandpa's on the front porch, swing a Bible in her hand. Sometimes I hear singing, deep into the promised land. When you take away a man's dignity, you can't work the field and cow. Blood on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Blood on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. With those 97 crosses painted in the courthouse yard, 97 families that has lost 97 farms. I think about my grandpa and my neighbors and my name. And some nights I feel like dying, like a scarecrow in the rain. Chain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. This land fed a nation, yeah, this land made me proud. And son, I'm so sorry, there's just memories for you now. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow.